everybody. The game that you're going to be playing today is called Rolling Golf. So this game is going to help you work on your rolling skills. You will need a target. A hula hoop works well, but if you have a towel as well at home, you can use that as a target. And you're going to need a ball to roll. Any ball will work, but it should be able to fit in one hand. So you want to be rolling with only one hand. So a tennis ball is what I'm going to be using in the video. You might also use a golf ball. If you've got a bocce ball at home, that works well too. So here is Rolling Golf. All right, to get your game started, you're going to take your hula hoop and you're going to place it wherever you would like in the field. Once you've got your hoop set up there, the hole is ready to go. So whatever ball you happen to be using, I'm using a tennis ball. You're going to roll using proper technique, trying to get that ball into the hoop. You're going to see if you can do it in the fewest number of rolls. So that was one for me. Here's number two. It didn't quite go in there, so I need one more. And it's in the hoop. So I would receive a total score of 3 for this hole. Remember, you can add other obstacles, and you can change the distance of the hula hoop, so you have to vary the force. So now it's your turn. Get out there and give it a try. Remember, when you are rolling, your eyes are on your target. You're stepping with your opposite leg, the leg opposite to the hand that is rolling. You're going to bring that ball back, a nice backswing, and you're going to release it somewhere close to the ground out in front of you. As you're playing, make sure you have a safe place to play. Ask an adult if you're not sure. Have a great day. Thanks, everyone.